Does marriage eventually get boring? Sounds like you're going through it. My name is Paul Friedman. I'm the founder of the Marriage Foundation. Been doing this since 2001. I could tell you my marriage is not boring, and those who have come to us for help, their marriages are not boring. But what happens is this. The number one killer of marriages is over-familiarity. And that's what's happening in your marriage. I'm going to continue, but please like this video, subscribe to the channel. You have to drive your marriage. You can't just let it be, let it happen. Marriage is not a ride at an amusement park. Marriage is so complicated. But if you remember that it's based on your heart's love, think about it this way. The word marriage means union. Union is that connection between the two of your souls. You are souls. You have a mind and you have a body, but you're a soul. That's why the term soulmate is valid. You're soulmates. But what's happened is you've been caught up in all the stuff, and you've got to get back into the marriage. So a marriage that is properly run, and granted, we're not taught, but if you watch these videos, read my articles, maybe buy a book, you will learn about marriage the correct way, and then yours won't be boring anymore. And this is what we all strive for, isn't it? We strive for happiness. We got married to be happy. We got married to experience love till the end of our days. And you can have it all. I'm Paul Friedman, founder. God bless you and take care. Thank you.